scream.
Okay, go on. Let's try. Hello. I'm having an amazing trip in Scotland so far. Today we are going up Ben Nevis. Really excited. I've not looked into this one too much like I did Snowdon, so I have no idea how many people die up there every year. We're not using the Commute app. We're just gonna go up the usual path, come down the usual path. We've had a little look at it from afar. It looks really hard, but I love going up mountains. I can't wait. And yeah, just waiting for those two to get some fish. Ryan's mum's with us on this trip as well. She doesn't like being on camera, so might try and sneakily fit her in.
Morning.
Morning! Guess where we are right now?
Another almighty mountain, so the highest in Britain, Ben Nevis, to be conquered today.
Yay! So excited!
Susie's excited. I'm apprehensive after our last lot of shenanigans, but lovely blue sky, and out of 240 days at Ben Nevis is covered in cloud. Today there is nothing.
Yeah.
You can't see it. There's trees there.
And it's going to be a hot day.
Hot day in Scotland, warmer than Manchester. So yeah, looking forward to it.
And we've got sun cream on.
And sun cream. Prepared today.
We're doing our stretches. Getting ready to go.
Yeah. Hello, going up the hill. Very big hill. Very hot.
Just started and it's absolutely boiling already. Found the lock finally. This is supposed to mean that we're halfway up Ben Nevis. I think it's definitely time for a dip. Absolutely boiling.
Little Sue's having a cool down. Susie's had one bite of the sandwich and the duck's had about 7. Nom, 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 nom.
We're halfway up. Just left the lock, carrying on.
Good pit stop.
Feeling good, feeling recharged and energized. How about you, Ryan?
I don't know about good, a bit cooler.
Yeah, which is great.
Thank you, young man. I hope you get to university on your coke business.
Yeah, and making a good profit on them as well, 2 for £5, which we were happy to pay. Would have probably paid twice that.
You cannot feel this energy.
Drop.
Jeez, you look We're at the top of Ben Nevis.
Yeah, this is what you have to do at the top of Ben Nevis.
The queue to get to the top.
The queue to get up here and have a photo. Oh my god, I'm so glad we're at the top.
So 500 bit miles done. Absolutely goosed.
Yeah.
Don't smell too good, but it's been worth it.
Yeah.
And
Do we get a certificate?
yeah, I'll buy a certificate when we get to the bottom.
We'll get a certificate from the gift shop on the way out.
Yeah, but some epic views. All the way around. It's all thanks to somebody's dad who died.
Wow. Little message down there. Someone's left. Some people enjoying the moment in the glory.
Made it to the summit and we're heading down. 5 miles, 1,343 meters.
Just got back from Ben Nevis. Ryan wants to go and have a lie down in the river.
Just a little bit. Well, here goes.
All the way, Ryan.
I might scream.
Okay, go on. That's fine. Comedy value, Ryan? I'm just gonna film you climbing out in case you fall over.
What, are you going to film until I fall?
Suck belly in.
Hey?
Suck belly in.
These rocks are ready to my foot.
Aww. Oh, well done. Went wild swimming today and climbed Ben Nevis. Brave Ryan. Woo! Yeah. Okay, well done, Ryan.